Hi guys, Saturday 7 a.m. So as you can see behind me, yeah, we're gonna need to move like in a month and a half. What I'm gonna do in the upcoming weeks is gonna liquidate basically all the stuff that I have. I bought, if you see, those pallets, this pallet, and also this. Those were Amazon returns that I gambled on, and basically they are filled with stuff we don't deal with on a regular basis. So it's just too much to it's not stuff for online. It's like mattresses and stuff like that. I don't know. So I'm gonna try to sell it locally and get rid of it in the upcoming weeks, so I'll have way less to move. Besides that, the two latest sourcing trips that we did were pretty good. I mean, just like a couple of items and we made our money back basically, because we have a global set of 3 camels that is worth about 450. We have video games, just the N64 games, they're worth also like I think over $500, just those. So I think between those 2 items, I think we're already in the money. And I'm not talking about DVDs, books, consoles, other video games. I mean, we brought a lot of stuff. Textbooks that in the last video I showed you, they are worth about like $80 each on average. So here we have those are this is the palette with the CDs. Look at all those DVDs. I have more DVDs at home. Those are all books and DVDs. It's just crazy. So what I'm going to do today, because it's the weekend, I'm going to list as much as possible. This is our small merchant fulfilled station. Nothing much, but the new place we're gonna move to, it's gonna be more office space and less warehouse. So the warehouse is gonna be basically strictly for storing stuff. So I'm gonna see how it's gonna work. I hope everything will fit. I'm almost sure everything is gonna fit once we'll clear everything out. So that's it. I'm gonna list as much as possible today. A few hours I'm gonna work today. I have some pallets, CD pallets that I'm gonna CD boxes of CD that I went through, and I wanna liquidate locally. So I'll see how it goes. As you can see behind me, it's not the greatest to work here with all the trucks. What they're doing is fixing trucks, so it's kind of noisy during the week, and a lot of people are here because the last owner, he just closed up his business. So that's it. I'm gonna list. That's what I'm gonna do. Also, those are my merchant fulfilled. I'm sorry I didn't mention it. Those are also a few CDs and DVDs that I just recently listed. Because we're moving, I don't want to put them on shelving units. So I'm just doing them like this, and then once we move, I'll fix everything in the shelving units. I have a shelving unit here ready to be assembled, but I just I don't deal with it right now. And I have a few books that I listed. 100 books, although I sold a few already, and I have a few CDs here, 250 CDs here, and in each one I have, each one of those, if those are CDs, I have about also something like 150, between 120 and 150 CDs, and if it's DVDs, it's like 100, something like that. So just for an example, Band of Brothers Blu-ray, it's $50, and that we got from the video game guy, bulk purchase. So that's $50. That's 10% of what we paid, and just it's one item. And we have, you know, N64 Mario stuff, and we have in the office, if you can see this huge box, I don't know if you can see it here, huge box filled with CDs, GameCube and Xbox, and PlayStation also, and we have the consoles themselves. So yeah, it's been crazy, and I'm probably gonna buy a really nice computer for him, which is new and sealed, hopefully, and I'll do that later today. That's what I'm gonna do later today, and maybe hit some sales, maybe, I don't know. It's really hot. I don't like the heat. So that's it. I'm gonna see if I have anything interesting to show you next. So sorry about the noise. All the guys are here working on the vehicles. So I listed 2 more bins, about 120 items, and I have those 2 full bins with good DVDs, DVDs and Blu-rays that are that I graded as good. So I'm gonna bulk list them. Tomorrow probably, and I'm gonna head home to deal with some personal stuff and just work on my computer from home, basically. And later today I might go to source a little bit, so I'll see how everything goes. So I'm in the office with a box of video games that we got from that guy, and as you can see, a lot of GameCube, Xbox 360, and some PlayStation ones, and you see Game Boy ones. So just for me to just to show you the hit and run, I know I can get like $50 for, because I sold it in the past. And there are a lot like a good, I think this one is a good one for GameCube. Oh, the barcode is hidden. So basically, I mean, I know I have some good games here because I looked through, I don't know if you can see pretty well. The rank is horrible for video games, to be honest, but $30, Wario War, that must be like something, right? Anything Mario related is pretty good. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty nice. So worst case scenario, it's like $60, 10% of the 10% of basically what I paid. I paid like $5.50 for everything. Let's see this one. This is in a better rank, $20. So yeah, there are a lot of money right here. Another Game Boy, PlayStation. You see a lot of stuff right here. I didn't even know they have like Game Boy games here. So that's that, and also we have the consoles, which is right here. This is the Dreamcast. Needs a little bit of cleaning. It has the gun and the remote somewhere here. PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, GameCube, the console, and Xbox 360. We checked, I think this and the GameCube is about $70 each. The PlayStations, I'm not so sure. I think this is like for around $40, and this is also the same. I think so. I didn't look into that too much. I just picked them up, and he said he tested everything. He said he tested everything, so everything should be good. He seems like a good guy, so there's no reason to not trust him, right? Yeah, so basically we got a lot of good games. Also, we have those N64, just those three. It's like over 100 and something bucks, right? Those are the good games. I mean, a lot of games here, a lot of games. So I think just this little pile here is, you know, I think we'll make our money back just from this little pile here. And at home I have Game Boy Advanced games. He had a bag, not a bag full, but a small bag full, let's say, around I would say 35 to 40 games. Also a lot of money in them, and the comps are crazy. They're selling like crazy. So yeah, just the video games, DVDs, and I'm not talking, I didn't even look at the books and all the other small electronics that I got. And I'm probably gonna go back to him today to pick up more stuff, like more small stuff that I missed in the first time when I was there, because he cleaned up a little bit, so we might, you know, maybe he has some more stuff. So I'm gonna check it out later today. I don't know if I can film, but I'll try, and I'll keep you updated. Hey guys, so I'm back in the house. We got the computer, a lot of different stuff. Let me just show you. So we got this computer. That's a 2018. This is the price it goes for. Between 12 to 1500, and it's new and sealed. It has the Asus seal. We got this battery. This battery, I don't know if it's, goes for 120. Also new and sealed. The price is 150. Another memory stick. I think this one is very old. I don't know. Let's see if I can find it on Amazon. Just $30. And we got this Sony. Let's see if I can scan it. I think that's the barcode. Wait a second. So on eBay it goes for around 300, and also on Amazon 300 is the minimum, the lowest price. And we got another camera with all the accessories. This one goes for around 100. So we got a 1500, 300, and I think we got about $2,000 here retail, and we paid 550. I'm going to try to sell the computer, the laptop locally, to see if I can get cash, because I don't want to deal with it online. It's just too risky to deal with those kind of stuff online for me. I have bad experience from past transactions. So this is what I got on the way home, and also we got the DVDs and video games and everything. I'll show you the video games right here. So this is just packed with Game Boy Advanced games. No Game Boy, but the games are here. So those are averaging between, let's say, 15 to 20 each. So that was a pretty good buy. In total, we spent 1,100, and we have retail. I think almost 5,000 to even more, because we didn't go through most of the stuff. A lot of stuff we are still in the warehouse because we're in the process of moving, so we're gonna liquidate stuff as we go. So this is it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.